Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you a piece of software called System Repair Engineer. You can get it from this website here, www.kztext.com. It's a free download, but if you wish to donate, you can click on this tab here and donate. So let's have a look at the actual application itself. I've already downloaded mine, so I'm going to right click on here and run as administrator to open the program up. This is the actual application here, very easy to understand and use. Well, I'm using it on Windows 7 here, but it does work with Windows XP and Windows Vista. So what is System Repair Engineer? Well, System Repair Engineer is a security diagnostic software tool which is doubled up as a system configuration and system maintenance software tool. It detects system errors and issues and then adjusts and repairs the system accordingly. The main purpose for the development of System Repair Engineer is to make it easy for the users to detect some common system issues or problems that they may have with their system, and it changes the damages caused by malware and viruses and stuff like that as well. So it's very useful to have around as a PC technician, and it will make your life a lot easier once you're on the job trying to fix these issues. So let's have a look at the actual program in action. If you look at the boot items here, we can actually edit all the registry keys here. Now say for instance you've got a rogue key there or a dead key that's causing a few problems from a program, or maybe a malware registry key that you wish to delete. You just click on the actual registry key that's causing a problem, and you can either create a new one, edit this one like so, or you can actually delete it and click on refresh there. Okay, now also if you right click here, you can search with Google or browse the file. Now if you click on browse the file, it will open up at that location, which is very useful. Okay, so that's that registry part. Let's have a look at the folders. There's nothing in here, so let's move on to the scheduled tasks. Now scheduled tasks, again, you could have a malware that's created a scheduled task to keep repeating itself, or all sorts of different reasons why you want to come in here. Maybe you want to delete an actual task yourself that's causing a few problems, so you can come in here, have a look at the information that's available, and it tells you the location where that DLL file is and or exe file, and you can actually get the information, the version there, time, size of it, manage. Click on manage, and this will open up the scheduled task manager there. You can actually come in here and edit it from here as well. Okay, so let's have a look at the services tab. When I click on services, it gives me the option to click on Windows 32 services or drivers. Now there's a load of information here you can read about. I'm not going to go through it now, but we'll click on the Windows 32 services, and as you can see, you click on them and you can see here status. It tells you whether it's running auto start and so on. You can actually modify the startup type by clicking on this, and it will actually allow you to modify it. You can actually change it here. Okay, disable manual start and this auto start. Also we can hide verified Microsoft items. It gives you the actual version here as well, it gives you all the information that you need. Now if you want to right click on it as well, you can actually start service or stop service or search with Google. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. We've got drivers. Again, drivers is very useful. Click on here, we can actually change the same sort of thing really. System start, auto start, manual start, disable, and boot start. Click on whatever one you want to look at, ACPI. We can have a look at that, and it tells you to delete the service if you wanted to. Put the tick in here and you can actually delete it. Set that, put the tick in there if you wanted to, and you can see it doing something here. Just let it do its thing. Okay, and then we've also, let me just have a quick look in there again. Also we can actually right click on it and search with Google. So we've got a few other bits there. So let's have a look at the boot ini. Now boot ini will only show up if you've got Windows XP. This is a Windows 7 operating system, which is totally different from XP. So you can see if you had a boot ini file here in Windows XP, you would be able to edit this file from this location. You can set it as default, edit the file, add a new file, delete the file, and so on, timeout, change the seconds there, and so on and so on. Okay, so let's move on to the next location, system repair. First tab is very useful, file association. We can actually fix all these file associations down here. You just click on which one you want and click on repair, which is the actual repair button down here. Have a look at the Windows shell, i.e. we can actually fix all these if we wanted to. Select all and then click on the repair tab if you wanted to, or just do individually which ones you want to fix. So if you've got a problem with that location, maybe it's a control panel, we can enable the control panel again and click on repair. So if malware's disabled that, we can actually repair it from here, which will allow us give us our control back. It's very, very useful when dealing with malware and stuff like that as well, and which is obviously caused problems with the registry and so on and so on. Okay, so we can actually re-enable these. So let's have a look at the next tab here, browser add-ons. Another really useful tool. We can come in here. Now there's no add-ons in here, but if you have got loads of add-ons and one of them's a rogue add-on, we can actually come in here and we can actually enable it, show shell extension or hide signed item, and we can actually get detailed information from it as well, and we can actually delete the selected. So if we selected that, we can actually delete it as well. So if it was a dodgy add-on, we can actually delete it. Okay, which is very useful. Another great tab here is host file. You know that's always getting attacked and stuff like that and changed. Well, here we got the actual host file. We can actually edit this host file. It saves you going to the location yourself manually. We can edit here, add a new one, delete it, and so on. Okay, so let's have a little, and we've got a reset tab there. I forgot to mention that there. So let's go to the next stage. WinSock provider. Again, you've got the actual search with Google. Browse for the file. You can actually browse that file and it takes us to the location, which is very, very useful, very time saving. And let's have a look. Refresh, and detailed information gives you the information of that file, where it's located and what it's doing and what it is and when it was created and size and so on like that. Okay, very useful. And also advanced repair, which is basically using this level will fix all known Windows issues. So if you click on auto repair, it will fix all known Windows issues. This is the recommended setting. We can also move this up to the powerful fix level, which will use this level will delete all policies in your system, so you can auto repair that and that will be done. So if you have a look here, we've got WinSock reset, which is very useful if malware's been on the system, and we've also got repair safe mode, which again very, very useful for malware issues and other stuff. We can actually repair that, and scan for API hooks. We can also do that from this location. Very, very useful tool. So let's have a look at Smart Scan. Smart Scan is basically all them little things we've just been talking about, browser add-ons and so on and so on. We just take the ticks out what you don't want or leave them all in and push scan, and it will fix a lot of the issues in all those areas. Okay, so very, very useful. You can do them all in one fell swoop if you don't want to go through manually and do them like that. There's a bit of a blurb here you can actually have a little read up on. I'm not going to go through it now, but you can actually take more time over it. It's a very, very useful tool. Okay, extensions, again, what it does is it looks for tool extensions for this application. Okay, so all you need to do really is click on that and you'll see plugins and extensions here, and all you need to do is it just tells you all about it here, but if you can actually add your own extensions in here, so your own little tools from that. Got a new item, edit item and delete item. There's nothing in here, but you can actually do that if you wanted to. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. My name is Brian from britec.co.uk. If you enjoy my videos, please remember, hit the subscribe button, show your support, and also head over to the forums if you've got any problems with your computers, or you want to become an admin over there to help out a little bit, then by all means come over, join the community, and we will give you a bit of admin over there and you can help out fix computers. So if you enjoy my videos, please remember, hit the subscribe. Thanks again guys, thanks for your support. Bye for now.